Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix SSL pending error on Shopify. So if you have just connected your domain name or you already connected it a few days later, you still see that message that says SSL pending error, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this problem. Before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video, and let's get started right now. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step, of course. Now after that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on domains. Okay, here as you can see, you want to click on domains. Now after, guys, you click on domains, what you guys need to do, let me just switch to my other Shopify store because I'm still using the default domain on this new Shopify store. I'm going to switch to my Shopify store with like third-party domains connected to it. So what you guys need to do, I'm going to reload this page. Okay, I'm going to log into my Shopify store so that I can show you guys how you can fix this problem. I'm going to switch to this. Okay, it seems like there is a problem here. It's not like I'm not allowed to use it or whatever. I'm going to, yeah, it's actually the ad blocker. So I'm going to uncheck it, and yeah, it's actually the ad blocker that caused this problem. So I'm going to uncheck it and see if we can like use the right. Okay, so I am now on my Shopify store. As you can see, I'm on the dashboard of my Shopify store. Click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click here on domains. Okay, so after, guys, you click on domains, here you will see this SSL pending. Okay, so if you click on it, you will be able to see here the reason. Now most of the time this will take only like 48 hours to disappear. It will clear on its own. Okay, so like if it's more than like 48 hours, then what you guys need to do is you want to just first, like I said, just need to wait. It's just a verification process Shopify does when you connect your domain to Shopify. Okay, now if this doesn't work, if you like, you want to go to the third party, okay, or where you have purchased your domain, it could be GoDaddy or like Namecheap, okay, and you want to go there and you want to remove URL redirect record. Okay, you go to the website and you go to the like DNS settings, stuff like that, and then you want to remove URL redirect record. Okay, see, and then wait 1 hour, and then this message will disappear. That's in case you didn't wait 48 hours. If you just connected your domain, don't do anything because it will clear on its own. Just give it 48 hours. Now if everything else, like if everything else, as you can see, if everything else looks right in your DNS settings but SSL is still pending, it may be your AR records. Okay, so you have to set your AR record address to this address. As you can see, I'm going to add it here. As you can see it here. Okay, make sure it's pointing to Shopify. This AR record is pointing to Shopify, so you want to set it. Okay, that's exactly what you need. So, and if this doesn't work, then what you guys need to do in this case, you want to contact the domain host for assistance if needed. Okay, that's exactly what you need. Or you can just contact Shopify directly. On here, just search on a new tab for contact Shopify support. Okay, and then here you will be able to click here, and then you want to talk to the assistant, and then you will redirect you with someone, a real person to talk to, and he will tell you exactly what is your problem. Now if this one, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and if it doesn't, go to the comments and let me know exactly if you still have this problem and how long you have this problem. Okay, go to the comments and tell me exactly how many days, and I will reply to you guys with a solution. Okay, see you guys next video.